Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you comment down below how your day was going or is going. Mine's doing good. We have the September 2019 Bijou Beauty Box. I picked this up at my post office today, so I'm so excited to get it. This is one of these new subscriptions. Last month was the first time that I unboxed this. I'll leave the video down below if you want to check it out, and I was really impressed with it. So this is $35 if you want to get a single box, which I do have a code. I will leave it down below, which can save you 20%. And then if you do the month to month, you know, like get a subscription, it will be $30 a month. So I believe my code is only good for the single boxes, like if you just want to try it out. But I'll leave out all the information down below. So without further ado, if you want to see what is in this September Bijou Beauty Box, then just keep on watching. All right, I have my handy dandy little knife. I was so excited. I haven't stopped at the post office in almost a week, and I had like 5 boxes in there, and I'm like, yes, please. So this is in different packaging. She did say because there is a palette that's in here that is too big to fit into the regular black boxes. So she will be returning back 2 boxes. I think she's trying to get like a new design or something like that. So this is only temporarily or maybe just this month, which I think is good. So, and it's packaged. That's what it looks like inside, if you can see. So it's packaged fairly good. All right. So here is the palette. Let's see if I can find a card. All right. So here's the card. It says Bijou Beauty. I don't know what you can see. I turned my camera the different direction. Now I have to get used to it. And right here is the September box, if you guys can see. So there's no prices on here. It just says September 2019. Hey babe, hope you enjoy this month's box. This box comes with 5 products, possible brand variations. So it's different variations that you can get with the brand. All right, so the first thing that I see is from JCat Beauty. Now, I've never tried their eyeshadows. I think I tried a highlighter from JCat, which I really, really liked. So let's see how this is. And I like the fact that so far that I have seen, there's always like palettes in there, which I like. All right, so this feels like the old Morphe packaging. I don't like that packaging myself. Okay, so that's what it looks like. So these are like fall shades right there. So let's swatch a couple. Let's do a couple. Oh, they feel really good though. So I want to go over here, but I changed the camera, so I got to remember to do right here now. All right. Because I'm trying to get used to this new lighting, so I figured if I have it this direction, maybe it will help. So that's really pretty, actually. Now that purple, let me swatch the purple again. So there we go. So it's really, that's really good. Let me do a few mattes and see. And again, they feel really creamy. Let's do a dark one too, and a green one. Let's see. Oh yeah, so this is okay. I don't know how much the price is, but it looks pretty good. All right, so that's good. And I'll show you again real quick. So it's, you know, for the fall, just a regular, you know, palette. All right, what else did we get? I mean, it's packaged very well. So let me just put that in, get that out of here. There's a lot. Which I rather it that way the palette isn't broke, so that's good. All right, so then we have something in here, which I have no idea. So let's open it up. Oh, I'm gonna cut it with my knife. All right, so we have a brush in here. Okay, so this is from Medusa's Makeup. It's very soft. It's a little too soft for my liking, so I would definitely use this to like brush away powder. I think it's perfect for that. And this is just a personal preference. I like more denser like brushes to use it for like a blush or a bronzer, but this is perfect for me to take off powder and stuff. I really like it. So that's good. I'm always excited to get brushes. The next thing we got is from Lunatics. This is Gamma Gloss, which I am a gloss girl, so I like that. What shade would you be? I can't read it. Where is my magnifying glass? I don't know. Let's see. Let's see if I can read the shade. It's so small. Athena. Okay. All right. Oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty packaging. I see. I keep wanting to go over there. It's like so pretty. All right. Let's see what. Oh, I like the doe foot too. That's nice. This is really nice. Let's go in with the second coat so that you guys can, you know, see the color. It's really pretty. Oh, all right. So far, I'm really digging everything that's in here. The next thing, is that everything that was in there? No, one more thing. All right, so then we have from, what is this? Chinchilli? I don't know if I'm saying it right, let's see. This is Chantilly Cosmetics. So this is a Diced Diamond. So this is a highlighter. Now this highlighter is too dark for me. But let me see. I'm not gonna swatch it because I was gonna keep it just for like, to put it on top of my eyes, but I know I won't reach for it. So it's definitely too dark. So I'll put this in a future giveaway. And it's a shame, I wish it was a little lighter, but I hear so good things about this. So I'm definitely excited whoever wins that. All right, the next thing, ooh, we got some candy. I love candy. These are Sour Punches. I'm telling you, that is the way to get to my heart. Send me some candy. All right, so that's always just extra. I think that's such a nice tip to put in some candy. We get that every month. Then we have a blush. This is Rose. This is Winter Rose right here. This is from Ofra, and I don't have this shade. So, oh my God, I'm so excited. I love Ofra's blushes so much. So let me show you. I mean, that's beautiful. Guys, that's gorgeous. I mean, that's just one swatch right there. Let's do some more so I can deepen it up so you guys can see. I love that. I don't have, let's see if I have my, hold on. I'm gonna go get a brush and then put this on and see. All right, I'm back. I got my little blush brush. This is the Ulta Beauty one right there. You guys can see. I don't know if you can see or not. So I'm just gonna go in. That's pigmented. Holy crap. And let me get my little mirror. And let's put some on and see. I already have some blush on already. Oh, that's beautiful. I like that a lot. Let me get a little bit more. Tomorrow, the kids go back to school where I live, so I'm so excited for them to go back to school. I mean, I love when they're home, but like I am ready because our kids don't start back till September 4th. Now, they don't get out until the end of July, and it depends on like around the 21st, but if there's snow days, then, you know, they have to make up. So I really like that a lot. That is really pretty. I'm excited about that. All right, let's see what else is in here. Is that everything? Yeah. All right, so let's recap what we got. So we have the Ofra blush, which I think is my favorite thing in here. This is like such a beautiful color. Like that's my color right there. We have the Chantilly highlighter, which I wish it was in a lighter shade, but I know you guys will really enjoy that. So I'm excited because I love giving back to you guys. So that's fine. All right, then we got some candy, which I love. What else? We got this lip gloss, which the lip gloss is so pretty, guys. Look at the packaging. Love that. What else? We got a brush. Does it say what type of brush? I'm not sure, but like I said, I would just use this for powder because it's a little too soft for my liking, but it's perfect what I like for powder. So that's good. And then we got, right here is the palette. So I'll show you guys again what it looks like. I don't care for the packaging, but I mean, you have a whole palette there. And they swatched beautiful, like they really did. So I liked everything in here. I really do. I definitely think that this box is worth it. I'm really impressed with it so far in just 2 months. Let me know all the tea. Let me know what you guys think about this box. Let me know. You guys know I always like hearing your opinions. Do you think the box is too much? Do you not? I do know that she does do a lot of sales and stuff like that, which I think is great. But let me know what you think and what was your favorite thing of this box. And did you ever try J Beauty eyeshadows before? I'm curious and I cannot wait because I think tomorrow I'm going to try this. So I liked everything. I can't complain. All right, guys, that's everything. Please rate this video. So either thumbs it up or thumbs it down, one or the other, but just rate the video because it does help me out. Make sure that you subscribe and turn that post notification bell on and make sure that you have it on all, because if not, YouTube is not notifying anybody anymore, and even sometimes when you have it on all. So always, I try to put videos out every day, so if you don't see a video, try to check in once in a while and see if there's one uploaded. Yeah, and that's everything, guys. Don't forget to let me know down in the comments how your day is going. I love you guys so much, more than you will ever know, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.